Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already installed Python and added it to Path. Now confirm quickly. Open the command prompt or terminal, then run Python version so you know which interpreter you'll use. Once done, change into your project folder with cd followed by the folder path. This ensures scripts run in the right place. If you need a virtual environment, create one now with Python mvenv and activate it. Doing these first steps avoids path confusion and keeps dependencies isolated. Now you'll run code and manage packages. To execute a file-type Python script, py. For quick tests, use Python C print hi. Make sure your virtual environment is active so pip install installs into the right place. Activate with env/scripts/activate on Windows or source env/bin/activate on Mac and Linux. If you need to run long processes, consider Python U for unbuffered output. Finally, use piplist to confirm installed packages. Finish cleanly by stopping running programs with Ctrl+C and inspecting tracebacks to find the error line. This tells you what to fix. When the project is stable, lock dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXD so others can reproduce your environment. If commands fail, verify which Python you're invoking, run where Python on Windows or which Python on Mac and Linux to confirm the path. If that points to the wrong install, adjust your path or rerun the installer with Add to Path enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.